Hello everyone. I'm sure most of you are bored during this lockdown and don't know what will happen next. How to grow your business if you are a solopreneur or an entrepreneur. You are worried about the losses that is being incurred by your business during this off period of the lockdown. But there are certain ways by which even in this period of lockdown you can grow your business. Certain things that I am doing to help me to grow my business in the coming days. This extra time that I am getting during this period of lockdown, I am doing certain productive things so that it helps me to have a better business in the coming days. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha, wherein I talk about books, about life and sometimes about career. This video is dedicated to the career section. If you like the tips and tricks that I am talking in this particular video, then do not forget to press the subscribe button, because if you press the subscribe button, then you get notification whenever I post a new video. Also, if you want to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, you can definitely follow Book Tales by Preetha on Instagram. The Instagram handle is by the name Book Tales by Preetha. Book Tales by Preetha is also there on Facebook. There is a Facebook group and a Facebook page. Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter, you can follow my personal handle, which is @PreethaSharkar18. To follow my blogs, it is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. Prepare content. This is the first and foremost important thing that you as a business owner should do in these days of lockdown. Plan, prepare, post your content for different social media platforms. I'm sure by now all of you know that social media and digital media is our future. And to operate in the social media sphere, you have to prepare content. The content can be in form of blogs, it can be in form of videos, it can be in form of still pictures. Also, different social media platforms have got different sizes for posting. I'm sure most of you know it. So, for doing so, you need to plan, write down and post content. This should be done on a regular and consistent basis. Plan as much content as you can for the coming days. Stock content. See how your competitors are working in the digital media sphere. Take ideas, but don't copy ideas, and make similar kind of content which you think best will work for your kind of audience or viewers. Make the content visually appealing. It is by the content that you can engage your audience to get attracted to the product that you make for your business. So this is the very important thing that you can definitely try out during this time of lockdown. Plan your future. Nobody knows what the future has stored for us. So in this time of lockdown, prepare yourself mentally, economically, emotionally. This is very important. Come what may, you have to stand strong for the coming days, and this is the best time to plan for your coming days. So plan for your business. Take necessary steps. Plan them properly so that they can work well to your side when the time comes in the coming days. Thirdly, try and save as much as you can. As I told in my previous point that there is uncertainty. We all know that there is economic slowdown. We will be hit by recession in the coming days. So try and save as much as you can during this period of lockdown. I know that as business owners, you are incurring losses in majority sectors. But still, I would request you to save in any and every way, because this savings can save us in the uncertain future, which I am sure we all will have to face once the lockdown phase is over. So I would again say, do not spend unnecessarily, rather save as much as you can. Do networking on different social media platforms. As you are having free time in your hand, utilize this time to network as much as possible on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, whichever you find is convenient for your business, whichever you think is the best resource to get like-minded people doing similar kind of business. You know, networking always helps. It will also help you in the coming days. So utilize this time by making optimum utilization of different social media platform by utilizing it for social media networking. Doing SWOT analysis. I'm sure most of you know what is SWOT analysis. In case you don't know, it is strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. Do the SWOT analysis individually as well as professionally. It will help you to realize where exactly you are standing, both professionally as well as personally. And this will be a check on you in the coming days, which may be uncertain. So as you have extra time in your hand, utilize it for SWOT analysis. I'm sure it will benefit you in the longer run. Make a study of the prospective market. I'm saying time and again that economy will face a recession. But you know what? During these uncertain periods only, many new businesses arises. So it is the right time to study the prospective market. Even 30 days before this very day when I'm shooting this particular video, most of us were unaware about the Zoom app. But today, everybody knows what Zoom app is. So I'm telling that internet consumption will increase more and more in the coming days. So this is the best time to study the economy, the prospective market, and plan new business or existing business, so that it helps you to make a prosperous business in the coming years. Join courses online. Now this I have said in one of my previous video also. As you are sitting at home, utilize the extra time to join courses which may be related to your business. You can join courses, they are paid and you receive a certificate once you finish the particular courses. You can also study via YouTube, like the topics you are interested in, search them in YouTube. YouTube gives you best self-teaching. Like I for a very long time wanted to study in an advanced way about digital marketing. I'm doing it from YouTube personally. So try and utilize this time to study courses about businesses or related businesses. And today, with the help of internet, you can do it online sitting at home. So I suggest you that you can definitely utilize this time to join courses which can help you personally or professionally. As a business person, I would definitely suggest you join courses which you think can help you in the coming days. Search online, search on Google. I'm sure you will get various courses that can help you in some way or the other to understand the economy better, to understand the kind of business that you do or you have been doing in a better manner. Make time for vocation or hobbies. Constantly working will make your brain jam. So all time you are working and not doing anything else, this kind of advice I will never give you. So just as in the previous point I told about join courses which help you in your business, I will also tell you that take time out for your vocation and hobbies. Maybe some of you may be good in drawing, some of you may be good in cooking. Try doing those things as well, because that is also required. All work and no play doesn't make any sense. So you have to keep a balance and you have to do both the things. So this is the right time to practice vocation or your childhood hobbies. Take out time and do those as well. How can I not talk about reading when I am talking about growth of business? Being an avid reader, I will definitely suggest you that nowadays I know you can't buy physical books, but there are n number of mediums available now wherein you can read ebooks, you can read PDFs. So get subscribed to any of those things and read books. In case of people who are doing businesses, you can definitely read non-fiction books. Read them. I'm sure they will help and enlighten you in some way or the other, which may help you in your business in the coming days. The last point I will talk is little bit debatable. Here I will talk about learn multitasking. You know, when I'm talking about multitasking, I'm sure many of you might raise a finger and say, if you are doing multitasking, then quality of a product or quality of your work gets hampered. Yes, I agree to that. But you know, if you are a individual who is just starting your journey of your business, then everything you have to do of your own. So this last point is particularly for the solopreneurs or individuals who are just starting out. Learn multitasking. And in this particular point, I will also put another thing. Learn to have patience. Patience is the key. And we solopreneurs lose patience because situations may not be at our favor in 90% of the cases. So in those situations like that, you have to learn to have patience, which I am saying, but I am not at all a patient individual. But still I am saying learn to have patience and also learn to do multitasking, because we don't know what days will come in the future. There will be layoffs in the coming days. So it is better to learn multitasking, do most of the works that we can do on our own. This will definitely help us to grow our business in the coming days. If you find the tips and tricks that I told in this particular video, do not forget to put a thumbs up. Please talk to your friends and relatives about my channel Book Tales by Pritha if you like my content that I talk through my videos for you all audience. Do mention in the comment section what kind of videos you would like to watch in future, and hope to see you soon in the coming days. Now, utilize this time to grow your business, but again, also you can definitely enjoy this time and relax to have better future, to have a better business. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and bye bye.